Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the break and preparing the metal so the repair will bond. Use a grinder to bevel edges and remove oxide. This increases surface contact and mechanical interlock. Once done, drill small stop holes at crack ends to prevent propagation and clean with acetone so contaminants won't interfere. Make sure to clamp parts tightly in proper alignment. Clamping controls gap width and heat transfer. You'll know you're ready when surfaces are bright, dry, and held rigid for the next step. You now perform the actual joining using controlled heat and compatible filler to achieve a durable bond. Preheat the casting to 200 to 350 degrees Celsius to minimize distortion and porosity. This stabilizes the metal. Then coat the joint with a proper flux to remove oxides during welding. As you feed an aluminum-compatible brazing rod or use TIG with an appropriate filler, move steadily so the pool wets both sides. This ensures fusion rather than a weak surface bead. You finish by cleaning, dressing, and validating the repair so the part returns to service safely. After the weld cools slowly to relieve stress, grind smooth and remove any undercut. This restores profile and reduces stress risers. Make sure to visually inspect for porosity or lack of fusion and perform a leak or dye test when applicable. If you find problems, stop and re-clean the area. Increase joint prep or use a reinforcing plate or mechanical fastener. That combination often fixes recurring failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.